Blogger tutorial for beginners. Step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am giving you a tutorial on blogger.com, showing you how to create a unique and beautiful blog easily. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is go to blogger.com. You will land on this website right here. Blogger.com is powered by Google, and it is a free platform to create your own blog and get started. You can also make money with blogger.com. It's a very easy to use blog that you can create for free. So first of all, once you get to blogger.com, you will need to sign in or sign up. If you have a Google account, you can simply sign in with your Google account and you will get your own blog. Blogger.com has a lot of beautiful designs that you can choose from. Different templates are available. You can even get your own domain, and you will also get paid for your hard work. Let's actually get into it. I'll simply sign in to my blogger.com. After the initial sign up or sign in to your blogger.com, this is where you will land. Now, with blogger.com, we can create more than one blog. Once you get right here, you can click on New Blog and give your blog a name. So you can choose any title for your blog that will be displayed. For instance, I want to create a new blog named as Little Things. Let's actually go with this one. Then I'm going to click on Next. This is going to be my web address. Once you create a blog on blogger.com, you have to choose a URL. This is going to be the main website URL that is shown at the top. Again, I can go with the same address or I can use any other, but I'm going to choose the same one and enter the text here. Click on Save, and it will be saved. Now it will show me if this is available or not. So we have Little Things for demo.blogspot.com, but let me actually go with some numbers that it's available. Okay, it's available. Click on Save, and a new blog will be created. That's how easy it is to create and get started with a blog on blogger.com. There you go. You have your own new blog now. So this is what it looks like. This is our blog here, and I can also switch between my other blogs. This is our blog here. At this side of the screen, you'll find the new post option that will allow me to create a new post. Now we have post options here: stats, comments, earning pages, layout, theme, and settings. The first thing that you need to do is go to the themes here so that we can customize our blogs that we have. So if I show you the blog that we just created, we'll just click on View Blog. The option is available at the end here, and it will open up my current blog for me. This is it. A very simple theme has been selected, and there is no post yet. This is what it looks like. Therefore, we're going to go to the themes option here and customize. We can choose from different themes available, and you can scroll down to check. We have full blogs, we have travel blog templates available, we have business blogs, fitness, and it totally depends on what kind of blog you are creating. So I'm creating a beauty blog. What I'll do is I'll go with this one, or I can go with this template right here. This one actually looks good. So I'm going to click on Apply, and this theme will be applied to my website. Okay, the new theme has been successfully applied. I'm going to refresh to check what it looks like. All right, so this is my new theme, and you can see it looks pretty good. The font has been changed and the colors too. Now that we have selected the theme, I will go up and go to the post option here. I'll click on New Post, and it will allow me to create a new post. There you go. Here we have to enter a title and start typing. So if you already have your blogs created, you have a blog writer, you write it yourself. You can paste here too, or you can write from scratch here. At the top, we have different writing options: paragraphs, alignments, fonts, colors, links, and we can attach different pictures, insert images, videos, and different things. Now what I will do is I'll just simply enter a title here and a blog that I have written, and then I'll show you how it looks like. So I have typed in my blog right here. You can see this is a simple example that I created for you guys. And at the top, I have added the title. Now I can change the alignment, I can change the text color, and everything. We can also go to the Insert Image option. I'm going to actually upload an image from my computer. Now the image is attached as well, and it will be added like this. You can see I have uploaded the image at the end, but I can also take it up, or I can change the alignment. So at this side, you can see we have the labels, we have published, permalink, locations, and more. I can add different links here. We can also check the published date. Now we can get a preview and then click on Publish. We can get a preview, and you can see we have more options where we have saved to. I will click on Publish, and now my blog has been published. You can see this is the blog. Let's actually refresh, and it will be shown right here. There you go. This is our blog that we have added, and this is what it will look like. I can now upload more blogs like this, and they will be shown right here. If you feel like you want to change something about your appearance right here of your blog, then again, we'll just go to the Themes option here, or you can also go to the Layout. So in Layout, you will be able to see the layout of different blog posts that you have added. For instance, we have the sidebar, we have sidebar bottom, header, page list, ads where the ad will be shown on the footer, and everything is shown. You can go to the themes here, and in themes, you can customize And you can also restore backup, or you can also change the HTML. Then what you need to do is you can go to the themes option, click on customize, and we can also change the background image. So I feel like I need to change that, and we have different options. I'm going to go to health and beauty. Okay, and here we have some of the options. I will select this one, click on done, and the background image will be changed like this. Click on save, and the changes will be saved. Perfect. Now I can go back. We also have these stats here. The stats will show me the different followers, post comments, and views. So you can see these are all the stats for the blog that I have created. Then we have the comments, where I will be able to separately check all the comments that I got, and I can also add different filters. We have the earnings option here. Now in earnings, what I can do is I can directly connect my AdSense to make money with the different views. We make money on blogger.com, and that is why it is one of the best choices out there, because you will be directly making money with AdSense. We know that AdSense has a great revenue and it generates a great conversion. So you can actually connect your AdSense with your blogger.com and start making money. You'll make money with every 1,000 views, and you will also have to meet different criteria, such as post 10 blogs first and have active members. Then we have the pages here that will allow me to create and manage different pages of my blog that I've created. You can also go to the settings at the bottom. In settings, you will get your descriptions, privacy options, publishing. Then we have HTTPS permissions, posts, comments, email, and then we have formatting, meta tags, and more options. Blogger.com is an all-in-one platform that gives you access to create a high-quality, professional blog for free and make money with AdSense. You can go ahead and check it out right now at blogger.com and get started for free. As I showed you, you just have to sign in with your Google account and you will have your own blog. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want too. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite guide and what did you learn from this video? Or if you have any questions, and I think that you will also like these videos, check them out here.